Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to add Hydra bot in Discord mobile. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, open your Discord and go to your server. And then open your Google Chrome and search here Hydra bot. Click on this and then click on invite. And click on continue. Authorize. Prove that you are a human. And then from here, select your server. And by selecting a server, Hydra bot will be successfully added to your server. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. I will see you guys in the next one.